Hello, thank you for taking a minute to watch this video. My name is Rich Nolan. I'm the engineer here at Thorough Home Inspections and Engineering Service. Today I wanted to talk to you about two general ways to go about getting your new home or a home addition. Typically people will start with a builder, just pick up the phone and they'll call a builder or a couple of builders. The builders will come over, they'll talk with the builder about what you want in general terms, show them where the addition or the new home's to go, and they might take some measurements, sketch some stuff down on the back of a piece of paper. And then they'll call you, maybe hopefully a week later or whatever, they'll call you. And typically they'll just give you a number on the phone. They won't typically have drawings or anything to go with it. And should you accept their offer, they'll come, they'll start building. And maybe it won't take very long into the building process, and you'll start to realize, oh, I didn't know those windows were going to be that small, or I didn't know the windows were going to be over there. I didn't know they'd be that kind of window, or I didn't know the garage door was going to be so small. I didn't know the ceiling height was going to be so low. I wanted hardwood floors, not carpeting. And all these things will escalate the cost. And the builder will say, well, I gave you a quote for this. You didn't tell me you wanted that. And the cost will escalate, and it's very common, and you typically will pay perhaps 25 to 50% more. And I'm not coming out against the builders here. Please don't get me wrong if you're a builder. Another way to do it, which I think is more ideal, would be to call a designer first, someone such as myself. Come out, meet with you, talk to you about what you want to do, and then work with you for as long as it takes. It usually takes a couple of weeks, and work out every detail ahead of time, what you want, what size windows, what model, what kind of windows, where do you want them exactly, how big do you want this room, and the ceiling height, all kinds of details, more than you think you may know, that we'll tell you about, and capture all these things in a good plan. Plus you'll be able to visualize your addition before you start. We can show you the plans, and you can say, I want to move this wall. Sometimes we can do 3D drawings with colors and stuff, and to really help you get a picture and a sense of what you're going to get. Then we put that down on paper, and everything's designed right. If there's any structural changes, you don't have to worry about any of the structure. A builder may just guess at what size beam would go in, where we'll actually design it, make sure everything's right. You're hearing about roof collapses now because of all the heavy snow loads. That's something you wouldn't have to worry about. You'll make sure you get the latest energy codes. Lots of new energy codes are changing all the time. There's other things to think about too that maybe builders don't know. Certain property setbacks, and make sure that the town will let you actually build there before you actually get started and have to tear something down. All these things will make sure we work out. Now once you get a set of plans, you can take those sets of plans and give copies out to all the different builders. And now you can be sure that you're going to get accurate quotes, because each builder will be quoting on the exact same set of plans. There'll be no guessing involved. So when the quotes come back, you'll know they're all on the same set of plans. And when you start your building project, the builder won't be able to say, oh, I didn't know you wanted hardwood floors. I was going to give you carpeting, because it'll say right there, hardwood floors, what kind of wood, what model, every aspect of the building plan will be there, and the builder will have no wiggle room, and he'll have to build what's on the plan for the cost that he told you. And a builder would, in my opinion, would actually love to have a set of plans. It takes a lot of work and a lot of guesswork and a lot of, he likes to build. He doesn't really like to plan, most of them anyways. So giving them a set of plans, that they'll be very appreciative of that. So take the time to take a look at some of the recent building projects below in the pictures. I can't put all of them there, obviously. It's just a couple of them. And if you want, give me a call. We'll come over, I'll take a look, and then I'll give you an estimate the next day or two of how much it'll cost for me to plan it out. And it typically runs about 1 to 5% of your building project. And that's really not an extra cost, because without a plan, your costs are going to go up anyways, because builders will always baseline a project. And then you'll always say, oh, I want this window, I want this, and the costs will go up anyways. So it's best just to spend it up front and get exactly what you want. If you want to move forward, just give me a call. My number's on the website, but it's 518-376-0352. That's 518-376-0352. Once again, thanks for taking a look at this video. I look forward to working with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.